This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious jollof rice without using chicken stock. We'll start by building a robust flavor base from scratch, ensuring every grain of rice is infused with incredible taste. You'll learn to craft a rich, savory tomato stew that forms the heart of this classic dish. We'll also cover the best techniques for achieving perfectly cooked, fluffy rice and explore clever ways to add depth and umami without any meat products. Get ready to master this amazing recipe. First, let's build that incredible flavor foundation. Begin by sautéing 1 large chopped onion in about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil until it's beautifully translucent. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger and garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 3 tablespoons of concentrated tomato paste, allowing it to cook down for 5 to 7 minutes until it deepens in color. Finally, pour in your blended mix of red bell peppers and 1 or 2 Scotch bonnets for a gentle kick. Now, let's perfect our rich tomato stew. Allow the blended pepper mix to simmer gently for at least 15 minutes, uncovered, letting the flavors meld and deepen. You'll know it's ready when the stew has significantly reduced and a layer of oil begins to float on top. This indicates a well-cooked, flavorful base. While that simmers, thoroughly wash 2 cups of long-grain parboiled rice until the water runs clear. Then, carefully combine the washed rice with the simmering stew, ensuring every grain is coated evenly. For the final cooking stage, cover your pot tightly with foil and a lid, then cook on very low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. The steam trapped inside will gently cook the rice to perfection. Resist the urge to open the lid too often. Once the cooking time is up, check if all the liquid has been absorbed and the rice grains are tender. Gently fluff the jollof rice with a fork, then garnish with fresh sliced tomatoes and onions for a beautiful presentation. Serve warm and enjoy your delicious, stock-free jollof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.